Maybe even go in and
Yes, I will hit it with some staples. Hey, we're back. We're gonna work on the custom toy hauler a little bit more today. What are we doing? We're hanging carpet.
Today we're hanging carpet. As crazy as that sounds, we're actually gluing carpet to the walls.
And as nice as this plywood is, the carpet's gonna be a lot nicer, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna, like we talked about before, it's gonna change the acoustics in here. Off camera, I just did some work here. I added some foam around the doorway. We still need to pound these staples in that were in the trim. So we'll pound those into the wood before we get started, and then I think we're gonna start at this end and go this way.
Go this way, we'll cut the carpet to height. We're gonna run it up about as far as we can here to where these wires come through.
And then the trim will go in a corner because this space up here is where I'm gonna be running all the wiring anyway for the trailer. So I'll plasma cut spacers and new stuff for up there. So you won't see any of that. So it'll look like it'll be seamless to the ceiling.
And we thought the new flooring made it feel a lot more warm and cozy in here. This carpet should just quadruple that feeling.
Carpet should really change things.
So
it should.
And hopefully things will go smoothly. As long as our cuts are good, this shouldn't take too awful long.
Yeah, I think an hour aside. Probably.
Yeah. So we were about 3.5 hours on the floor. We could beat that for the walls.
Yes, that's the goal.
Should actually be pretty simple.
Yeah. Maybe start over here. That way, you know, there's less stuff to go around. That way we get a feel for what we need to do for the fender wells and everything. And I mean, so what if there's carpet covering the windows? No big deal.
Yeah, it's insulation.
That's right.
All right, well, let's get to work. Ready for this? All that work rolling that up just for that.
We're in that corner. I'll try and put tension on it everywhere, and then roll it. Let's start when you're at it and put my way and push it out.
See, your bottom's off a little bit. You might have to like actually unload a little bit so we can push it down.
Oh, I see.
This, and then we can. Oh, I just got a bunch of glue on my fingers.
Let me get you a towel. You should stand up. Right? Yes?
Yep. Ah,
Won't even need to cut it. Sweet.
here we go. Roller. Now we were silicone around this anyway. We can
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get some.
So I'd say you're good. Take her.
Roll it out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to roll it out. And we might have to kind of stick it here at the top.
How are we doing at the bottom here? Are we, oh, I guess that doesn't matter.
Kind of pushing it here.
How do you fold it out like this? I'll hold it in. Does that work?
Yes. Yes, this is actually down a little bit.
Just connect this again. Pull this bubble out. There we go. Start here. And then.
Oh yeah, I can.
Want to hit this with some staples too?
Yes.
Maybe even go in and
Yes, I will hit it with some staples.
Mr. Krabs, I am so confused.
See, I know there's some of you out there that had doubts this was gonna look good, but it looks good. And that's only one side. So Greg's finishing up around the window here. We were able to take a utility knife and just go right around this trim, and it looks like it came factory that way. Look at that, that's beautiful. Greg finishes up. I'm letting him get the high stuff because I started to get off. I was out of rutch.
boom. Not bad.
That's not too bad at all.
It's very nice.
Awesome.
You can look at a difference.
There we go.
That carpet is actually the perfect thickness because the window frame comes off the wall a little bit, and the carpet is almost exactly the same thickness
Yep.
as the frame, so it makes it look like it looks like the frame's on top of it. So it's really
Perfect.
good.
Before, after. Before, after.
That looks great.
Just don't look at this and you can pretend it's all done. So there we are, two sides carpeted. We still gotta cut the window out here, but it's lunchtime. We're gonna go grab some pizza. Completely changes the look. I like it. All right, let's go get some pizza.
Yes.
All right, I just ate way too much pizza. I think Greg did the exact same, didn't you?
I did.
I mean, we only got a little 21 piece sitting over there, and
We didn't kill it, but
we didn't kill it, but we ate
came pretty
over half of it, the two of us.
way over that.
So let's go ahead. We're gonna get our window cut out here, and we got one more little strip to go in the front. Should be easy. Uh-oh. Oh, there's that pizza.
Hashtag gross.
Pardon my grossness. too bad at all.
Went good.
And it's looking great.
Took about 30 minutes to do it.
Yeah, that's a big eyesore right there, but that'll get finished off and look nice when we're done.
Yep, that's getting a real thin piece of stainless steel. That's going to be behind the kitchen, so you know the backsplash and everything. I'm just going to use a piece of 4-inch trim or 3-inch trim, 1/2 inch thick. Wrap that with the same stuff we're using for the countertop, and then glue it to the wall. Behind it should look really good, and then behind that will be the stainless steel overlay. So should look good.
Cool, you got your trim with your lights in the corner to cover up your wiring, so that'll be nice.
Trim in the corner. Other than that, yeah, it's coming right along.
And we're both really pleased with how well this cut and matched up around these windows. That turned out great.
Yeah, it
So-
turned out real nice.
So that's the next major step done. It'll be a while before we can get back at it, right? You gotta do some planning, some
I
figuring,
gotta do some
designing.
gotta do some CAD work, and I gotta design the fold up. I gotta design the fold up vents for each side. I gotta design the fold up thing here where the battery and the refrigerator is gonna be, and I gotta design of course the cabinet here and the cabinet up here. Got to figure out exactly where I can put holes in the floor to vent the furnace and stuff.
So it may be probably a couple weeks before we get another video of this project out, but we'll still be working on it behind. Well, Greg will still be working on it behind the scenes, designing all that stuff. But I hope you guys are enjoying these videos so far. With the price of campers today, I mean, this is almost a better way to go than to buy a $100,000 toy hauler.
This is the way to go. This is compact. It'll haul almost everything. It's going to be comfortable. You know, it's not a huge trailer like this. This will have as big of a garage as a lot of those huge toy haulers.
Yep. And then if Greg doesn't mind at the end, we'll have him figure out the total cost of what it did to purchase the trailer and buy all this and all the material he'll have in it. And
Yep.
then we'll have some figures to compare to.
Yep.
Awesome.
I guess the main competitor to this would be the Intech Discover. You know, the one with that has the pop outs.
Pretty similar, just cabinets in the front, pop outs for beds in the sides.
Yep. Similar, but it doesn't. It has air conditioning, but it doesn't have a real source of heat.
Yeah, no
you know,
good
so,
heat. And them pop-out tents has got to lose a lot of heat too when it's getting cold. So
yeah, I nixed that idea of going with that camper for mainly that reason. I just didn't think it would hold heat that well. So decided to go this route, and I'm very happy so far.
So again, guys, make sure you comment what you guys are thinking of the build progress so far. I want to know your guys' thoughts. And Greg and I is always open to suggestions on what we should do. I know over on my Facebook group, several of you have posted similar builds you have done, and they all looked awesome. So keep sending those to us as well. Might provide a little inspiration here and there. So
Yeah. Sounds good.
alrighty, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next
Thanks, everybody. Take care.
custom toy hauler trailer build.
See ya.
Adios.